Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to step by step guide you, instruct you in order to delete your saved password from your Google. So, if you're wondering how, you can just head over and follow up these steps for that. So, without any delay, let's just get started. Start by opening up a browser, your Chrome browser, and once you open up a Chrome browser, you can go over and tap on the three dot in the top right corner and select settings. So, look out for the three dot in the top right corner and tap on it. And once you tap on it, a menu appears. You can select the settings option from here and tap on it and access your settings here. Now what you need to do is basically scroll down in here. You will be finding section for passwords and autofill. So go ahead and find that option right here and tap on the option of Google Password Manager and open up that right here. And once you open it up here, you will be finding all of your accounts, your password that has been saved here. So you can just go ahead and find the password that you want to delete. So go to password section and you can tap on the one, for example, battle.net, you can tap on it. And you may need to enter up your PIN. You can just go over and enter it up and tap on continue. And once you do so, you should be finding option to delete it. So you can look out for the delete option, which is in the bottom right corner, and tap on it. After that, you just need to confirm it up. You can tap on delete and confirm it up. And when you do, you may need to enter up your PIN or use a fingerprint to verify. Once you confirm the delete button, it will delete all the data of that particular password that you've saved. And that is how you remove your saved password from Google. You can follow the same process for other account that you've saved, your other password that you've saved on your Google account. And that way is how you can remove your saved password from Google. And that is it. So that is it, everyone. That's how you do it. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.